It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a little tutorial almost about how I like to clean my makeup brushes. I find it's such an important thing to do as part of a makeup routine, and I cannot stress that enough. So if that's something that you're interested in and you want to watch, then please stay tuned. So first up, excuse the naked sweaty face. It is absolutely boiling today, and to be honest there was no point in putting any makeup on because it's just gonna sweat straight off. The only thing on this face is sun cream. So yeah, and also my window's open, so if you can hear birds tweeting, then that'll be why. But yeah, anyway, let's carry on. So I clean my makeup brushes very, very often. More likely than not, I do actually clean them in between each makeup application. I am quite obsessive with my cleaning. I know that, you know, not everyone's the same, and if you want to clean them every other, or some people just do it once a week, then, you know, that's up to you. This is just how I do it. So basically, with dirty makeup brushes, they accumulate lots of dead skin cells, oil, dirt and debris from your pores, which can actually lead to dull and broken skin and also can cause acne. So it is so important that your makeup brushes and your sponges and everything are kept clean to avoid that. It also, not only that, but it also leads to streaky and patchy application, which nobody wants. We all want flawless skin, we all want a flawless makeup look. So it's another reason for you to keep your brushes nice and clean. So yeah, that's long story short basically, but without further ado, let's get straight into it. Right, so with regards to your sponges, obviously I've got a dirty one here. All I do with these is I pop them into a pillowcase, tie a little hairband around the top and chuck them in the washing machine. Just with your normal wash, and they come out absolutely brilliant, perfectly clean, great. So yeah, that is what I do with my sponges, and I normally do that, as I say, every time I've used them. So this one's due to go in, and I find that if you clean them less often than not, they also get staining. So if you want to keep them looking, you know, as fresh as they were when you first bought them, I recommend doing it every time you've used it. So with regards to brushes, obviously this is a foundation brush that I have used yesterday, and foundation is a bugger to get out. So these do take a little while longer, and I do the same with my face brushes and my eye brushes. I find that the really pigmented colours, they do tend to stain the white bristles, but it's only staining, it's not dirt. So yeah, that is one of them things. Over time though, I find that the staining does come off. But all I do with my brushes is I use Pears soap, and I've got a cleaning mat. I've got this one, which I think I got off eBay for about £2. These are brilliant because you just fit them onto the sink, nice and flush onto the sink, and then they've got all these different things for your different brushes. So most often I actually use this one, to be honest. I rarely use the others, but you just swirl your brush on the soap and then give it a good go over there to get right into the bristles, and then rinse them clean and leave them to air dry. So I will insert a little clip of me cleaning some brushes just so you can see exactly how I do it. But yeah, it is as easy as that. So yeah, I know some people do actually put them, as I said about the pillowcase hack, some people do actually put them in the pillowcase and put them through the wash, which I'm not going to lie, I have done a couple of times. With expensive brushes, just a disclaimer, I'm not telling you to do this, but with expensive brushes, I do find that that works quite well, in my opinion. However, with cheaper brushes, I find that when they've got this paint over the top of metal, that actually comes off. So I would not recommend that at all if you've got some cheaper brushes. But the MAC and the Sigma ones, and basically, you know, you find the ones with the black wood, they seem to come out okay. So I will leave that up to you. If that's what you want to try, then that's fine. But I would recommend doing it by hand. Although it can be very tedious, I would recommend it over putting them in the machine. So yeah, so there we go. I will now insert a clip and you can see how I clean my brushes.
Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets.
Okay, so there we go. It's as easy as that. And if you do it, as I say, at least once a week, then, you know, you'll be a lot better off. Your skin will be better and your makeup will go on a lot smoother. So highly, highly recommend you follow those steps. So I hope this was helpful to you. And if it was, then please give me a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I have got another video coming up on Friday at 6 p.m. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6 p.m. usually, with a little bonus chucked in every now and then. But yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you again soon. Bye.
I go start the coffee Sunday morning.